Year! Today is the first day of 2022. It's January 1. And we're going to IKEA. I'm going to IKEA with my family. And I'm gonna take you guys with me so you can actually see kung ano yung mga pwedeng mabudol, mabili, makain, or makita doon. Because we're scheduled at 12:30. It's 10 a.m. na or past 10 na. But for now, yay! I'm gonna show you guys my OOTD. Yan. Kita nyo naman. So this is what I'm wearing. I bought this top, I think from H&M for around 4.99 pesos. It's a backless. And then the skirt and my shoes. And mag-jacket na lang ako, of course.
I think about you when I'm high, and I smoke all the time. I think about you when I'm sober too. Oh, I don't know what to do. Can't get you off my mind, and this glass of wine just reminds me of you. I think about you when I'm high. I really hate the fact that you're so fucking far away, and I've been struggling to cope. And I've been trying to distract myself in different ways, but I still miss you when I smoke. I'm over here vibing, then I think of you smiling. Suddenly I'm a mess, can't hide it. 4 in the morning, I should be falling asleep, but I'm falling for you instead. I think about you when I'm high.
Wait lang namin si Mami kasi naiwan niya yung face mask niya sa kotse. O, diba? Parang walang pandemic. Unang gala ng taon, unang gastos ng taon.
Hindi mo pinagbigyan mo ng
It's already 12:17 and we're scheduled naman at 12:30 pero nakapila na kami. Medyo mahaba na yung line but it's okay since on scheduled naman. So excited! Good daddy! Medyo naiihi pa ako guys pero wala eh. Nakapila na kasi so kaya naman, itiisin ko na lang kasi tolerable pa naman siya.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language.
saan ka pupunta and ano yung uunahin mo. Because hindi, pwede din sa ano.
Pero pwede mong gamitin nga. Diba hindi mo ginagamit? Ginago mo?
Oo.
Pwede mo siya i-ganyan.
Hindi na.
Pang ano. Ito maganda. Dito!
Si Daddy bored na bored na siya. Iwas siya sa gastos. Makeover ko ulit kaya yung room ko. Kakamiss! Stuff. 590. Opo na po sila. Kamusta naman ang upo mo dito?
Okay lang, pwede nang iuwi ito.
Hindi naman kasya sa sasakyan. Okay, so basically yung mga gamit dito, pag may nagustuhan ka, I suggest picturean nyo na lang sila kasi ipe-pick up nyo din sila dun sa market hall after. So parang hindi nyo siya basta-basta makukuha. Wala rin masyadong makikitang nag-a-assist sa paligid. Means I'm vlogging and taking a photo at the same time. Diba? Ang hassle. But yeah. Come to my walk-in closet. Grabe, at sakit. Gusto ko talaga magka-meron ng walk-in closet like this. Kanino? So, nagkata din kalaki yung mga cabinet ko kasi sobrang hindi nakasya yung mga damit ko dun sa cabinet ko sa kwarto.
And use of hand sanitizer. These reminders ensure that our store remains a safe place for you and your family to shop. At IKEA, we support everyone in creating an affordable, better everyday life at home. Stay safe and happy New Year.
After how many minutes, ilan na ang laman ng bag ni Mami?
Wala. Empty pa rin. Empty.
Still empty. Pag-scrub.
So, punta kami sa... Di ba?
Pupunta tayo doon sa
Ano yung tawag mo doon? Market hall. Doon kukunin.
Si Jimin yung kumakanta. Si Jimin. Jimin is singing Christmas Love by Jimin. Christmas, I love you. Can you guys hear it? It's Jimin. It's Jimin. Christmas, I love you. Sobok, sobok.
Christmas, good.
I got some keychains for me, my brother, and for Bronny.
If I could wake up next to you and wipe the dust out of your eyes, then I'm thinking that we could maybe talk the morning through. I know that you might just want to leave, but baby, stay right here with me, because the two of us ain't got no place to be. Singing love songs. You can get up if you need, but by the time ourselves, but baby, I'm so far behind. Can we just slow down? Be right here, don't make a sound, and we can just listen to the birds singing love songs.
Guys, it's 3 p.m. and finally we're having our late lunch. Hinahanap ko sila mami kasi humiwalay ako sa kanila. I don't know saan sila nag-order ng food, but we're gonna look for them. Ayun, I saw them na. This is what I got. I got some tray for my crystals and for my candles, and scrub, and yung keychains, and some mugs for my parents kasi naglambing yung mom ko na they wanted both para pag nagkakape sila ni daddy sa morning. So, yeah, right now, we're going dun sa food court para makakain na because I'm really hungry too. Free locker because bawal may dalang mga pinamili sa food court. Ito ata. Or dito na lang. How do you set for these?
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning.
Here. Mag-order sila mommy and si Benedict. Tapos ako, dito lang ako sa table para at least ma-save na since medyo madami ding tao. So, ayun. We're finally going home. We're now at the parking area. Thanks so much for watching this vlog, guys, and I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please like and subscribe and share.